In this video, I'm going to be creating a MAVIS document. So the example which I'm going to give, I'm going to be creating a MAVIS document for the February issue, and I'm going to put it directly into the February issue. So first of all, what I will do is I will go to I'll find the February issue and find whereabouts I want it to go. So in this example, I'm going to be creating some content for the contribs page. So I go to the templates tab. I've selected the contribs page, so it's just highlighting so I know where I want to place my template. I then go to the templates tab, I go to the MAVIS 2 template, and I drag and drop that MAVIS 2 template onto the contribs layout. I then rename the asset, and I think it's important to rename the asset, and I think it's important to rename it the same name as the actual layout itself, or something similar, so for people to understand and know that it has a relation with that particular layout. But if you ever want to rename it at all, you can rename it at any point. Every time you open and close your MAVIS document, you'll be able to edit it from there, and also when you're editing metadata. So we'll go through that later on. So this is called the contribs, and I'm going to, because I've created it, it's in-house, so anything which is created in-house is code 1 rights. Then we have these other rights here, so we have code 2 and X rights. Code 1 and code 2 are syndicated rights, so that they're to do with commissioning. So we may have commissioned something with a code 1 or code 2 right. If you want to know any more information about code 1 and code 2, please speak to the legal department, and they can explain a bit more about what those rights mean. But anything which is written in-house is always code 1. Anything which is provided by a PR company or an agency is X rights, because we aren't able to syndicate it. So because this is written in-house, it's going to be code 1, and I'm going to put my name in here. So as you can see, it was the bits which were highlighted red were the mandatory bits. So the writer and the agency, you either write one or the other. Okay, so we press OK, and there is our piece of copy. So this is an empty piece of copy for us to work with.